Hello everyone. Flat or plot? Which one should you buy? Most people take a decision based on the family arrangement, based on the budget that they have, based on the luxury life they want to live. But very few people take a call based on the legal problem that they face after purchasing it. Initially, when you plan to purchase the property, you will give the documents to your advocate, and he will verify it, and he will give the decision. Based on that, you will purchase as to the legal part of it. However, after you purchase it, there are some legal consequences which are attached as to plot, as to flat, that I am going to explain it to you today. Being an advocate, I see this problem very often in daily life. Let's understand this and you take a call which one is best for you. Let's begin with plot. When you purchase a plot, you'll be having an absolute ownership on the property. You own the piece of earth from the ground right up to the sky. The land belongs to you entirely and it does not depreciate over time. Whatever the investment that you have done on the plot, that will certainly give you a good amount of return over a period of time. Coming to flat, you are the owner of only your portion of the building. That means you are the owner for only flat, the concrete building, that too your portion of the block. The land is collectively owned by all the owners of the flats. In that particular building, if you are having around 50 units as such, 50 flats as such, the land beneath that building belongs to all these 50 members. That is being divided in the form of UDS, Undivided Shares. If you purchase a flat of the area 1200 square feet, you may get around 400 to 500 UDS as such. That means you are the owner of the only that particular portion of the land. That too, it is a logical bifurcation. You will not get a physical bifurcation of the land. In that entire big size land, you will only be having the ownership of the 400 square feet of land. That too a logical bifurcation. That is just a ownership. Physically, you do not get anything. One point in time, if your builder or collectively you all demolish the building, you should get only that portion of the land. That too physically you do not get. If you reconstruct the new building on the same land, you will get the rights for the equal portion of the land. Or collectively, if you sell that entire land, you will get the return for only your portion of the land, your portion of the UDS as such. So this is the concept of UDS as to an apartment flat. Now coming to second most important point, which is document verification of the plot and document verification of the flat as such. A lot of buyers mistakenly think that flat requires a less legal checking. In reality, flat requires more document verification. The reason is, for plot right, you have only the title with respect to that particular plot. That means the deeds, maybe a sale deed, gift deed, or will, and these kind of title documents as such. In addition to that, DC conversion order and then approvals, authorities approvals. Whereas in flat, definitely for the entire land, you have to validate all the documents that are, just now I said, for plot. In addition to these documents, you have to verify the construction approval, approval from Environment Department, approval from Power Authority, RERA compliance, OC, CC, all these documents should be verified. So this is the main difference as to the title of the property as such. Very minutely you have to validate both plot and also flat. But legally saying, once you validate the documents and then if you approve that, okay, legally the particular flat is good, and then you can go ahead and then purchase it. And risks, legal risks as to flat and then plot would be less in the flat as such. The reason is, on a bare land, you have already constructed the building, and that means builder is already having the possession. And as soon as you purchase it, immediately you will also get the possession on your particular flat as well. If you are purchasing a ready to move apartment as such, you will get an immediate possession also. So in that case, if anybody files the case also, the possibility of getting the temporary injunction on the building is very less. So in that aspect, flat is comparatively safer than plot. However, documents should be verified thoroughly. After that only we can take a call. With these informations, I'm ending this video. But I have a lot more to say. I have so many other informations as to the car parking conflicts, association conflicts, maintenance conflicts. Moving forward, I'll make videos on those points also. For now, thank you so much. Keep watching. I'll provide a lot of information on this regard. Thank you so much.